High-intensity laser therapy, or HILT, is a beneficial treatment that can offer relief and repair from inflammation anywhere in the body, including joint or muscle pain. For example, in a complex anatomical structure like the shoulder, there are many layers of tissue that can become inflamed or cause pain if they are damaged. Potential causes of shoulder pain are inflamed subacromial bursa, rotator cuff tear, tendinitis, adhesive capsulitis, biceps tendinitis. A high-intensity laser has the ability to reach deeper than a low-intensity laser to target tissues that contribute to pain. The CW laser stimulates the body to increase angiogenesis, collagen production, and macrophage activity in the tissues. The infrared light of the laser penetrates into each cell to be absorbed by mitochondria and activate chromophores, which stimulates increased production of ATP. Increased cell metabolism contributes to faster tissue repair.